For small bends, use the pliers. Just hard to do it just by hand. Like bigger ones I can do, but smaller ones it's harder to bend them. So pliers helps out a lot there because just get much better hold of that wire. And this works good for small bends. Some of these you can actually even pound those carefully to straighten them out. This wire fence is all bent up, and I'm going to straighten it out. Lay down on a hard surface. These are paving bricks. It could be asphalt, cement, and step on it. I weigh 185 pounds, so it's about 90 pounds when I'm stepping down with one foot. Over that and then flip it over. Do the same thing. Hopefully I'm not doing a rain dance. I don't need it to rain. Well, I actually do need it to rain, but I just stayed my stairway in my shed, and I hope it doesn't rain today. I do need rain though, it's getting dry. And then these last bends out. Yeah, I have to overbend it a little bit because it's a little bit springy. I don't want to go too far, but much better than it was. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.